Hello, in this tutorial let's see how we can connect Google Spreadsheets with OpenAI. So first I have created a Google Sheet here, Google Spreadsheet, and we have a empty cell here, and I have two tables where I will be using to retrieve data using the OpenAI API. So first let's see how we can connect. You have to go to extensions and then app script. Make sure to log in using the same account which you have used to create the spreadsheet. Then you can use the same macros.js, or you can use add a file and script. I'll rename it as OpenAI connector, and then there's a predefined function here. You can just delete it because it's already defined in the script. We are going to copy and paste here. So the script is available here in this gist. I'll put this URL down the video description. You can use it. You just have to copy this and paste it here in the app script. Right. Then when you save, you will receive an error. It's because you have to replace this with the OpenAI API secret key. So I'll delete this, and you have to put the API secret key here within double quotes. So to get this secret key, you have to go to OpenAI and then click on personal. You will see the menu option called view API keys. Then it will take you to this window. You can create new secret key, and then it will give you the new API key generated. Make sure to copy this and save it somewhere, because this is viewed only one time. You cannot view it after this. So just copy it and then come to app script and then put it within the double quotes. And then now when you save it, you won't get any errors. Here in this script, we have two functions. One is OpenAI. You can simply send a prompt and then get the return value. And other function is OpenAI categorize. You can send category data and then return the value for particular category. I'll show it. And now since we have completed here within the app script, now I will go back to OpenAI spreadsheet. I will use this. You can simply write the function, type OpenAI. Now you can see those two functions are shown here. I will first use OpenAI, and then you can send a prompt within brackets. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? And then you can set the precision. If you check here, OpenAI function takes prompt, precision, model, and max number of tokens. You can replace these, or you can just set default. Since this is a precision, I'll put 1. If the precision is 1, that means it returns the exact and more precise answer. So I'll put precision as 1. The default model used is ADA model, but I'll use DaVinci model. Which is more powerful. You have to put that model within double quotes as well. Okay, I'll just hit enter. Yes, it returns Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. It's true. Sometimes this returns erroneous answers. Now I will move into the second function. I'll use these states, and you can start typing and you will see the second function here, OpenAI categorize. Use, and you have to provide the category list as the first parameter. You can select this category and then comma, then you have to provide category value list. You have to provide this comma, then you have to provide the input as the state you need the population for. I'll provide this, and leave the rules as default and just hit enter. It will retrieve the population for Arizona state. If I need to replace this Arizona with um, Colorado, then it will refresh and take the new input for the population. I will use the same function here to get Twitter URLs equal OpenAI categories. I'll provide the category list and respective values for the categories provided, and the cell I need. Since there's no value here, it will return some random output here. I'll put here my name. Yes, it's returning my user Twitter account, and I will put Chris. Um, it's returning response. It should be the official account. Yes, it's the official account. So that's how you can use OpenAI API and integrate into Google Spreadsheets. Make sure to remember your API key generated, and make sure to follow this gist. I will update this gist with more functions and more features. Then you can just update your app script and then use them in Google Spreadsheets. If you have any questions, you can type it in the comment section below. Thank you all.